In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to modify the subject of an email when replying or forwarding in Gmail. This can be very convenient in case of a long email thread where the initial subject line is no longer relevant, or if you want to highlight or add some important information in the email subject. Open the email conversation for which you want to change the subject. Select Reply, Reply All, or Forward. And click on the little arrow next to the From field. Select Edit Subject and change the subject line of the email. Then type the text of your email. And click Send. And that's it. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below the video and click subscribe button to stay up to date with UseWise.